let's talk about the 6 renovations you'll need to consider when starting your residential assisted living home. First, flooring. You want smooth, clean flooring all across the house. No carpets, no rugs, no hardwood. You want luxury vinyl or tile all throughout the house. 2, you want it to be as ADA compliant as possible. You do not have to be ADA compliant, but you want it as close to that as possible. 3, single level. If it's not single level, you need to put in a chairlift or an elevator, but preferable is single level. Next is lighting. You want great lighting throughout the home. You want it to feel open, friendly, warm, and exciting when you walk in. Next, consider color. You definitely don't want a ton of busy, bright colors, but we like to have the home one unique, print throughout. And then as someone moves in, if they ask for their room to be lavender, great, I'll paint it lavender, whatever they want. But I don't start with a lavender room and a navy room and a bright green room. No, I start with neutral, all clean, crisp, looking the same. And then we move along as needed with the residents' requests. Last but not least, you want to consider the most used amenities. In a residential assisted living home, the most used amenity is actually a hair salon. So if you have room to add that, I would add it. One of the least used amenities is a gym. So if you have that, I'd either remove it and make it into a movie theater, hair salon, maybe a library, something else that is used more often. Or if you've got plenty of space, keep it, right? But hair salon, most used amenities, adding those, huge hit factor.